Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, hit the subscribe button on YouTube. If today is the first time you see my video on Facebook, please follow for more updates. Today I will be sharing video with you on how you can get free XRP. Yes, how you can get free XRP. So I've been on this platform. I started yesterday, and I said that yes, it really works. So it's an app. So check the description of this video. I'll be dropping the site to download the app. Then you install the app. After installing the app, you register. So once you register and by inputting your password and your email. So once you are done with that, then to activate your account you need the registration code, which is a referral code. So I'll also drop the referral code. I'll still drop it on the description of this video. You can copy and paste, then activate your account and start collecting XRP every 1 hour. Don't miss it. This opportunity is limited. It's not forever. So grab it the way it is. And how can you withdraw? You use your Bybit, XRP and Memo or big Binance. So the wallet to withdraw it to is already there on the site. So on the app, so you can find the wallet there. So now it is time for me to claim my XRP. So I'll be claiming for 1 hour every hour. So it's time for me to claim my XRP for 1 hour. So in case you log into yours, see the app here. So I have 2.6 XRP. So I'll click on collect money. So after clicking on collect money, then you can see claim payout now. So let me claim. You can see transaction successful. You have successfully earned 0.164 XRP. So about your withdrawal, there is a task you need to complete. It is absolutely free, no ID connection. There's a task for you before you be able to withdraw this particular thing here. Withdraw fund. This particular thing here. Let's say I want to withdraw. Actually, I have times. There is terms and conditions which I say there's a task for you to complete. So you need to. Okay, let me just input 2.7 so that you see what I'm talking about. Create withdrawal order. You can see current verified status is 3.71. That is the one I'm currently having. You will be able to withdraw when your verified status is at 100%. Verification is free, no payment. You will earn verified status when you collect money every hours or by referring. So you need to keep collecting this every hour so that this your verification mode will be fully ready. So once it is full, it is 100%, then you'll be able to withdraw your fund. You'll be able to withdraw your fund. So just take it serious and so you can earn more of it. Take it serious and you can earn more of it because this is limited. And one SRP I think is $2.3. So stick the opportunity and grab this free coin before they stop it. Thank you. So if you have any further question, please feel free to drop your comment. I will be attending to it. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye bye.